Good morning guys and welcome back to my channel. So hahanapin ngayon natin si fitter kasi magbubukas tayo ng top side. So we're gonna work again in enclosed space. So bubuksan natin kasi may wewildingin si fitter. So guys, we're going up and we're going to prepare the acetylene and the oxygen. So we're going to work in an enclosed space. So everything is set up, the hose, this breathing apparatus, we need that one, and projector light. So I'm going now to use the forklift for lifting these bottles. Safety information. In working close space, so we need this radio, VHF, ventilator, and most important is the breathing apparatus. Ayan. So kasi i-check yung chip sa loob para bukas yung tao. Resuscitator set. So check natin kung ano yung laman niya sa loob. Tapos stretcher, ayan yung stretcher. Ready na rin. So ayan yun. So mayroon siyang pang oxygen bottle just in case. Ayan. So lulusob na kami yan si Sir Jason at saka si Ford.
Before entering, Chief Engineer will check the area.
Tayo sa loob, sa top side top. Tapos i-check natin kung ano yung condition dito. So gagamit tayo ng table light. Masyadong ikabahala kasi na-ventilate na siya ng gusto. Bali 2 days siya na naka-ventilate. So ayan guys, so ito yung bubuksan natin. Size 39. Okay. So kailangan natin na masukin para maggalaw. So kaya naman natin kasi magalog. Okay, kayo ka. Okay, nice. At naman.
After we open up the manhole cover, fitter started to measure the length of the manhole. After installing all the equipments, fitter then started to grind a little portion on the steel to connect this welding machine ground.
Nandito na tayo sa loob ng top side tank. So naka-ready na lahat, ano? So ayan na yung mga gamit. So itong portion na to guys, ito yung wewieldingin natin at kakatingin. Kasi may ano siya din.
Then he marked the portion which he needs to cut later and prepare his stuff and gas detector to ensure that people working down is totally safe. Start to cut the plate. After cutting the portion of the steel, fitter then fabricate the exact size and transfer into the steel plate. He uses 4 by 8 feet and a thickness of 1/2 inch. It's time to sand the plate. By the way guys, we need to sign this working permit when working into an enclosed space. In order to fit both sides, he then cut the existing edge of the plate. And started the welding process. In order to have a smooth surface, we need to sanding for the last time.
I will walk straight and finish strong. Subscribe for MTV.
So finally guys, tapos na yung